Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this cool digital clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then, create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a section element. Inside it, create a div element, with class as clock. Inside it, create another div, with class as container. Inside it, create a h2 element, with class as hour. Create another h2 element, and put a colon inside it. Now, repeat the steps for minutes and seconds. Be sure to change class names accordingly. Add a secondary, square class, to the hours, minutes, and seconds h2 elements. Create a span element, with class as period. Put AM inside it. Lastly, include our JavaScript file, using script tag. Our HTML is ready. Let's write the CSS. For the universal selector, set margin to 0. Set padding to 0. Set font family to console as. Set box sizing to border box. For the section element, set position to relative. Set width to 100%. Set height to 100 VH. Set background color to light shade of black. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. For the clock class, set position to relative. Set width to 700 pixels. Set height to 250 pixels. Set background color to white, with 5% opacity. Set border radius to 20 pixels. Set z-index to 999. Set border to 1 pixel width. Solid. And color to white, with 10% opacity. For the container class, set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set height to 100%. For the container class's h2 element, set font size to 6em. Set color to white. For the square class, set padding top and padding bottom to 5 pixels. Set padding left and padding right to 15 pixels. Set border radius to 10 pixels. Set background color to white, with 5% opacity. Set box shadow to 0 pixels x offset, 15 pixels y offset, 25 pixels blur radius, and color to black, with 20% opacity. Set margin top and margin bottom to 0. Set margin left and margin right to 10 pixels. Set border bottom and border right to 1 pixel width, solid, and color to white, with 5% opacity. For the period class, set position to relative. Set top to -50 pixels. Set font size to 2em. Set color to white. Set font weight to 700. Our CSS is ready. Let's write the JavaScript. Let's select the h2 elements that have a class, using query selector. Also, select the period's span element. Let's write a getTime function that will get the current time and update the clock. Create a new date object. Get the hours from the date object, using getHours function. Similarly, get the minutes and seconds. Default the value of period variable to am. If hours are greater than or equal to 12, we will change AM to PM. Also, if you want a 12-hour clock, subtract 12 from the hours. Now, we will add a 0 before the units, if they are lesser than 10. Let's use ternary for this. If hours are lesser than 10, concatenate a string 0 to it. Else, we will keep the value as it is. Repeat the steps for minutes and seconds. Now, we will update the clock by setting inner HTML for respective elements. Let's call the function, and use a set interval to call the function every 1 second. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. It is looking great. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, I will meet you next time. Till then, good luck and peace.